Hi, sixth graders. Happy Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, so we're not going to have an official Zoom today, but you do have something to do. And again, remember, I have office hours today from 1 to 3, so you can click the link and log in if you have any questions regarding any assignments or today's assignments. I will be there, so click on my office hours link on this slide anytime between 1 and 3, and I can help you. But here's what you're going to do today, okay? So in Study Sync, I assigned a story and it's called 11, okay? And so I just wanted to remind you how to get to Study Sync. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the portal or class link. So if you're on an iPad, you're going to go to class link. You're going to click on this one right here. It says McGraw-Hill Connected. And when you click on that, you should see our English class. So English 6, period 6, or if you're in my English 6, period 7 and 8, you would see that, okay? If you're not seeing these, just remember to change your school up here to Jefferson Middle School. Even if technically you're not supposed to go there, that's where my name is under, so you will need to change that to Jeff Middle School if you're not seeing this pop up, okay? So when you click launch, okay, it should, now again, mine looks a little different. So it should say welcome back and it says your name, and then you should have an assignment that looks like this. So if you click on that, again, mine looks a little different because I have the teacher version, so I'm going to pause this for just a second so I can show you what it looks like, what it will look like in your class when you log in. Okay, here we go. All right, so we're zoomed here. All right, so we'll say welcome, hi, welcome, and then you're gonna click on this, okay, 11. So this is a story, and it's actually about a birthday. And so what we want you to do before you read it, okay, so you're gonna read the introduction, which is this part right here. Remember, if you click audio, you can have it read it to you, all right? Then you're going to watch the video. So here's a little video, okay, right here that kind of talks about the story. And then I want you just to kind of think about these questions. What connections can you make to the introduction of the story? So that means, like, what does that make you think of? Does that introduction of the story make you think of something that had happened to you? What kind of story is this going to be? And how do you know? So think about the picture, think about the words and the introduction that you read, okay? And just kind of think about those questions. And once you do that, then you're actually going to read the story. So read the story, read the Study Sync story 11. As you are reading, you're going to use color highlights to annotate the text the following way. So remember, when you click up here to read, okay, there's a summary about it. You can click annotate, right? And you can, if you click annotate, helps if I actually click it, right? I can annotate it, right? I can change the color to yellow. I can change the color to orange, red, whatever. And here's where I would type my note, okay? So here, here's what you're gonna do. So as you are reading, use color highlights to annotate. Remember, that just means writing on the text. To annotate the text the following way. So you're gonna do a yellow highlighting to determine the meaning of the bolded vocabulary terms and note unfamiliar vocabulary terms. So when I'm reading this, right, if I come to a word that I don't know, then I might highlight it and make a note. There's some bolded vocabulary words down here like raggedy, so I might annotate that and make a note about what I think that might mean. That would be yellow. For orange, you're going to ask questions about passages of the text that may be unclear or unresolved. So that's like those questions you guys are thinking about as you read, like, why did Mrs. Price say that, right? Just those questions you have. So you're going to make those orange, okay? It says orange again, but let's make this one red, okay? So in red, okay, you're going to identify key details, events, characters, and connections between them. Blue, you're going to generate questions before, during, and after your reading, okay? And when you read it, try and use each color at least twice, okay? So that's what you're going to do. So no official assignment you had to turn in today. You're just going to read that story and complete this annotation, okay? Again, try and use each color at least once. And that's your assignment for today. Again, once you finish that, you can read your independent reading book or work on different assignments that you may be missing. And if you are in need of support, I have these office hours from 1 to 3 today. So just click that link anytime between 1 and 3 if you have a question. Just remember to be patient because I might have you wait in the waiting room if I'm helping somebody else, okay? Hope you have a great Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow.